Hey guys, welcome back to this video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can get API key in ChatGPT or how you can find API key in ChatGPT. First, go to google.com and then here search for OpenAI platform. Now go to the first link. First, you have to log into your OpenAI platform. So I have already logged. Now on the top right corner, go to profile and then click on your profile. Now here you will see user API key. Just click on that. So before get API key, make sure you have verified your phone number. Now here you will see create an API key to access the OpenAI API. Now just click on create new secret key. Now here enter in your name and then click on create secret key. And this is the API key. Just copy the key and click on done. So this is how you can generate API key or how you can find the API key. So hope that this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.